Hello everyone. So today I'm going to make an instant pizza recipe that your kids will love and sure be excited to eat. The best part is you could use all your leftover bread for this recipe as well. Growing up, my mom used to make this for us to ensure we ate all our veggies and also felt content eating a pizza. So a good way to trick your kids. To make this, you need 1 egg, 4 slices of bread of choice, half a cup of lukewarm milk, some pizza sauce, and use sliced veggies of choice. I'm using some green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and yellow bell peppers, and also some onions, and then some salt and pepper to taste. Let's start by taking an empty bowl and cracking the egg into this bowl. Next, add in the milk. And now whisk this well. Once this mixture is well beaten, we will take the bread and then just crumble them into smaller tiny pieces into this batter. The smaller you break it, the better it is because then it will soak this mixture evenly. The best part I like about this is I can use all the ends, the top and the last end of my bread, and nobody knows. And now, using a fork, carefully blend in or mash in this bread into this egg and milk mixture so that it soaks it well and turns into a smooth batter in a few minutes. Also, just a tip, in case your kids don't eat whole veggies, you can actually cut them into finer pieces or grate them if you like and just add it to this mix, which becomes part of the batter and they don't see the veggies at all. Now I'm going to add in some salt to taste and some black pepper. Give this a good mix and cover this batter for about 5 to 7 minutes so that liquid is well soaked in and it becomes uniform. Cover this and I'm going to keep it away for 5 minutes. That's how this mixture will look after it has been put to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, it's all well combined in. Next, take a heated flat pan and pour in some butter. Now add in this batter and give it a shape of like a round pizza base. Ensure that your flame is on a medium and now evenly spread this across this pan. This is all done and spread evenly. Be very gentle when you're spreading this. You don't want to break it. And note that my flame is on a low at this time. Once this is all spread, put the flame on the lowest setting and then cover it with a lid and let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. This has been cooking for about 7 to 8 minutes and now lift this lid and we will gently flip it. Be very careful when you flip it. It should be crispy enough to not break. And there you go. At this time, keep the flame on a low and we will add some garnish to this pizza now. Keep the flame on a low and now I'm going to add a layer of pizza sauce. Gently spread it around on this pizza. Now I'm going to garnish this with some veggies. Try to make it colorful and pretty. Add some onion rings. Again, feel free to add the veggies per your kids' choice. And also, as I said, if they don't eat the veggies, you can chop them finely or grate them and just add it to the batter and don't need to put them on the top like this. And now, time to garnish with some cheese, which of course I forgot to tell you at the beginning, but do ensure that you add in the cheese. I'm using grated cheese. You could use mozzarella or any cheese that your kids like or that you like. Honestly, this is something I love to eat as well. So adults are going to enjoy this equally. Now let us cover this back again with the lid and while on a low flame, let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes till you see this cheese melting. This pizza has been cooking for about 6 to 7 minutes and as you can see the cheese is melting. So I'm going to turn off the heat and let's pick up the cover. That looks beautiful. The veggies are done, the cheese is all melted. And now let's serve this. Let's put this pizza on the cutting board and there you can see nice and crispy. Feel free to decorate this if you're giving it to your kids with a nice cute smiley with some ketchup. There you go. That looks pretty. And now let's cut this into pieces how you chop your pizza slices and it's ready to serve. It is full of nutrition and hope you and your kids both enjoy this.